In a previous video, I discussed how to amplify your project management expertise using generative AI, and I was excited to see so much interest and feedback. Many of you asked for a detailed example or a tutorial on building a communication plan with Gen AI, so that's what I'm sharing today. We've already discussed the importance of giving the bot the best prompt so it generates the best result. In a communication plan, a good prompt needs to include the project context, stakeholders, purpose, the frequency, the communication channels, the success metrics, and the challenges or constraints. Here is an example of a detailed prompt. Let's start with the purpose. Create a communication plan for deploying an AI-powered chatbot for customer support. The chatbot will use natural language processing to handle customer queries and integrate seamlessly with our CRM for ticket escalation. Now let's talk about the stakeholders. The audience includes the development team, responsible for implementation, the marketing team, tasked with prompting the chatbot, the customer support team for training and feedback, and senior management to ensure buy-in. Now let's mention our communication goals. The communication goals are to align all teams, track progress, and manage expectations about chatbot capabilities and limitations. Now, we specify the communication frequency and communication channels. Communication should include bi-weekly status updates, pre-launch training sessions for support staff, and a post-launch performance review. Use Teams for internal updates, email for training schedules, and a live demo for training sessions and leadership pre-launch. Now, let's specify our project success metrics. Include success metrics like a 20% reduction in ticket volume and a 15% increase in customer satisfaction within the first 3 months. Finally, if we have any project constraints or document formatting requirements, we should mention them at the end. The tone should be engaging and focused on the chatbot's innovative features and customer impact. Also, make sure the communication plan includes a table to show timelines and activities. And here is the result, a comprehensive, polished communication plan that is exactly tailored to our project. It took us only a few minutes to generate it. How long did it usually take you to build a communication plan without generative AI? Share that in the comments. As we said, AI is not here to replace you, but it's here to amplify your expertise, save you time, and enhance the quality of your work.